So, one of the things that really helps people train better as well as perform better is zoning. And the word zoning means you get into a routine fast and you also get into that zone of being able to perform. So, you have people who have a ritual. You could call it superstition. Some people just have a ritual that they follow before their matches. So, nutrition, sleep patterns, as well as how you have a routine of pre warm up, what you go through, your routine through the day helps you. Nutrition is something that is often overlooked because it's easily available. So, food's always available to the players, but just making sure that you structure it right, eat in time, eat the right kind of quantities. Simple things can take you a long way because it can help you last much longer. Immunity wise, you can stay up right on top and not get injured as well. At the same time, recovery, because they have a very hectic schedule during the IPL season. So if they are in the right nutrition bracket, they're going to be able to just stay fit throughout the season without any issues. The IPL season has a structure which is quick. There's a lot of travel. They also have late night matches. So we need to make sure that they're feeding themselves, getting enough rest before they move on to the next place. Also, they have short seasons. They're coming from different places, so they have to acclimatize to the climate here. The humidity levels are different, so they need to make sure that they're coping with that as well. Body composition testing is something we do to individualize a training program or a nutrition program. So this would be used by the trainers as well to understand how they can manipulate their training if need be, if they want to increase muscle, reduce body fat, better hydration, and also how much they need to eat, because it gives you your metabolic rate and the amount of calories I need to give them. So we can individualize a plan based on their testing. They're going to be getting their match plans. I'm going to be sitting with each player, speaking to them about their routines, what they prefer.
I'm a big believer in that. I know the athletes, professionals, they're all professionals, they take care of themselves. But as two or three of them were just telling me after the session that a little bit more reinforcement all of us can do with that, and a couple of points that they pick up on. And she's going to do, or she's offered to do a lot of one-on-one discussions, counseling on their nutrition, diet, and all of that. So this is yet another way in which we want to take care of our Knight Rider family.